Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. Before starting this question number 3A, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in PDF and the handwritten form. If you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on our screen, which is 9009368. You can contact us without any hesitation if you have another other queries also. And we provide all type of solution related to studies. If you have any related to admission query, if you related to the exam query, and if you have related to previous questions papers, anything. Now, the question number 3 is, what role does sensitivity and perception play in the narrator's understanding of Volodya's feeling during their conflicts? So the we have prepared all the answers of this PDF uh, in the PDF form. If you need an answer of these questions, so you can contact us without any thinking. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.